You want to add an audio track to a Google Slide presentation. Let's say you have a team meeting and you have a motivational song that you want everyone in the meeting to hear. I'm Greco from Saperis, and in this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can add audio to Google Slides, and I'll also, as a bonus tip, show you how you can make sure that the audio track is also transmitted when you're sharing your screen in Google Meet. Please note, you can only import audio files into Google Slides that are saved on Google Drive. After I've uploaded my file to Google Drive, I can go ahead, and here it is under the recent files. I can now add it to my Google Slide presentation. And there you go. Automatically, you see here on the right side the format options, so I can define that this audio file starts playing either when I click on the play button or that it starts playing automatically when I reach this slide. I also have the volume, which I can turn a bit down if I want to. I can loop the audio so that it keeps on playing when it's done. And by default, it's so that if I proceed to the next slide, it will stop playing this audio file. So I can go ahead and drag and drop this wherever I want to, however I like it. And to play it, well, I simply press here on the play button. There you go. Okay, so now it's in my Google Slide presentation. What about if I'm holding, let's say, a workshop over Google Meet? There will be a lot of people there and they all have to hear this audio track. How can I make sure of that they actually hear what I'm hearing? Well, here's the bonus tip. Jane's in a Google Meet call with Adam, and she now wants to present the audio file in the Google Slides we just added before. So let's hover over here, and as soon as we click on Present Now, we're presented 3 different options. And the one which Google themselves say is best for audio and animation is choosing a tab to present. So that is the tab over here. I'm selecting this now. So now this is the only thing being presented on Jane's side. And now she can simply go ahead and play this tune here, and whoever's in the Google Meet call will be able to hear it. Beautiful tune, isn't it? Once she's done with presenting, no problem, she simply clicks here on Stop. Why don't you go ahead and check out my other video tutorials here on YouTube, like the one I created about how you can create templates, Google Slides templates for your team to use. And would you mind subscribing to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below? Because every week I publish new video tutorials about Google Workspace, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on any of those videos.